The Little Rose Plant. Once upon a time, the little rose plant lived in a dark damp room. This room was secluded from everything else in the world. She was quite arrogant with its beauty. She believed she needed no one and she could be beautiful all by herself. One day, she hears a soft tapping in the door. "Who is it?" she asked. "I'm a little raindrop," soft voice answers. "Please let me in," the raindrop says. Now, the arrogant plant becomes angry. "No way," she replies rudely. "I won't let you in." The poor little raindrop leaves her alone. Then another day, she heard a soft rustle near her door. "Who is it?" she questions. "I am a sunny sunshine," a voice happily answers. "Would you be kind enough to let me in?" it asks. The arrogant plant refuses again. "I don't have time for the sunshine," she yells. And so, the sunshine leaves the little rose plant alone. But after a few days, something strange happens to the plant. She sees her beauty begin to fade away. Without water and sunlight, her leaves begin to drop. Then her stem begins to become weak. Her flowers begin to crumble. And for this reason, the little rose plant begins to become sadder by the day. What should they do now? She would wonder. Then one day, she suddenly hears the musical sound of birds. Without wasting any time, the plant rushes to the door. Opening it in a hurry, she rushes outside only to find spring in full bloom. Finally, spring was here. She saw the birds flying. She saw the flowers smiling. Above all, she saw the sun smiling down at all of them. Suddenly, the little rose plant realized her mistake. She knew she had been wrong to turn away from the raindrop in the sunshine. And so, when the little raindrop and sunny sunshine returned, she welcomed them happily.